How to deactivate your Instagram Lite account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to deactivate your Instagram Lite's account, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, launch the application on your device. After you do that, in the bottom right corner of your screen you can see your profile's picture. Click on it. Then it will take you to your profile space where you'll see all your information. Over here, go to the top right corner of your screen where you can see a 3-bar option. Click on it, then open settings. After you go to settings, in the first option you can see which says account center. Go there. After you're inside account center, what you're gonna do is scroll a bit down. Then under account setting, you'll see the option that says personal details. Click on it. Then you'll be presented with three options: contact info, birthday, and account ownership and control. Go to the last option, it says account ownership and control. Then go to deactivation or deletion. Then choose your profile. After you do that, you will be presented with two options that are deactivate account and delete account. Go to the first option which says deactivate account. After you do that, click on continue. Then you'll successfully deactivate your Instagram Lite's account. So this is it for today. Hope this video was helpful to you and see you in the next video.